Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our F4 Customs windshields for the Can-Am Spyder RT. F4 Customs motorcycle windshields are manufactured from the highest grade of optical polycarbonate for amazing clarity, excellent rain shedding capabilities, and are even chemical and scratch resistant as well as shatterproof. We offer the Spyder RT shield in 3 different sizes. The first option is the 22-inch Sport, which is 3 inches shorter than the stock RT windshield, but maintains the same width. This shield is perfect for those of you that are looking for a sportier look on your RT, while adding the benefits of optical clarity, scratch resistance, and the rain shedding features that come with all F4 shields. The second shield option is the 25-inch stock height shield. Now this shield is the same height as stock, but increases the width by 2.5 inches on each side of the shield to block more wind and decrease premature rider fatigue. The third and final option is the 28-inch, which is 3 inches taller than the stock shield, as well as 2.5 inches wider on each side for maximum wind protection, again with the optical clarity, scratch resistance, and rain shedding features of the other 2 F4 shield options. Now, you have a few decisions to make when selecting your new Spyder RT windshield. Not only are the RT shields available in 3 different sizes, but they're also available in clear, tinted, as well as vented and non-vented. The clear shields are recommended for those of you that do a lot of night riding, or for those of you that prefer the visibility a clear windshield provides. The tinted shield option is a 15% tint level that acts as a pair of sunglasses during day riding and reduces headlight glare for night riding. The vents that are used are a 5-position tinted vent that give you control over how much wind reaches you. The vent works great on all 3 height options, but is especially beneficial for the taller, wider models that aim to reduce the amount of wind you feel. Since the Spyder RT comes equipped with a factory windshield, upgrading your shield to one of our F4 custom shields is a straightforward process that utilizes the factory hardware. Now, before you begin, make sure your windshield is at its highest position. Then, using a T25 Torx, remove these 2 screws from behind the windshield. Then go around to the front and lift the top corner of the cover slightly and slide it down to remove it completely. Once off, remove these 4 T30 Torx screws, and be careful when you get to the last 2 screws because the windshield will be loose from the bike, so you may want to enlist an extra hand to hold the windshield while you take out the last screw. Now carefully take a screwdriver and pop out these metal rings inside the rubber grommets on your stock windshield. Then simply pop out those rubber grommets after that. And transfer them over to your new F4 windshield the same way. Then simply mount up your new F4 windshield to the bike, reusing the same 4 T30 Torx screws you removed earlier. And also making sure not to over tighten. Next, you can put those 2 covers back onto the front of the windshield and tighten them down on the backside using the same 2 T25 Torx screws. Now that the installation process has been explained, let's take a look at the difference between the stock shield and the F4 shields with me in the riding position. For reference, I'm exactly 6 foot tall. Now, if any of these windshields seem right for you and your Can-Am Spyder RT, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.